Our video today focuses on mental subtraction. If you want to subtract large numbers easily in your mind, make sure you watch this video till the end. In case you want to learn mental addition, I have left a link in the description box below. Now let's get into our session. First, we'll quickly get to know the terms used in subtraction. Minuend is generally the larger number, the number from which we are going to subtract. Subtrahend is the value which we are going to subtract from the minuend. And the answer which we get after subtraction is called as the difference. Now let's move on to some examples. First we have 93 minus 26. Okay, before going through the difficulty level, let's check out two more examples. But here we have some friendly numbers involved. Friendly numbers are numbers that end in a 0 and help us do addition or subtraction easily. But if you check carefully, we can say that it is better to have these friendly numbers as the subtrahend than in the minuend. And if you have friendly numbers in both, it's all the more easier. Moving on to our first subtraction strategy. We shall try to make the subtrahend as a friendly number. So in this case, we make 26 to 30. And how do we do that? By adding 4 to it. And to compensate, we add 4 to the minuend as well. And why do we do that? We'll find out in just a bit. So now you can easily compute 97 minus 30, which is 67. Let's check out the same strategy using a number line for better understanding. We know that the difference between 13 and 8 is 5. In case we subtract 3 from both 13 and 8, we get 10 and 5. And what is 10 minus 5? It's the same difference, 5, which we got by subtracting 13 and 8. Now what if you add 2 to 13 and 8? We get 10 and 15. And the difference is exactly the same again, 5. Hope you get it now. Let us move now to the next strategy, which involves jumping to the friendly numbers. 80 minus 17. We start from 17 and jump to the next friendly number, 20. We do that by adding 3. Next, we can jump easily to 80 by adding 60. Now by adding the two jump values, we can get the difference. So here 3 plus 60, which is 63, is the answer. Now let us check out a bigger example. 900 minus 368. We start from 368 and jump to 370. 2 steps. 370 to 400. 30 steps. And then from 400 to 900. 500 steps. So the difference would be sum of all the three, which is 532. Let's check another example without the number line. 2600 minus 829. Start from 829 to 830. That is plus 1. 830 to 900, 70. 900 to 1000, 100. 1000 to 2000, 1000. And 2000 to 2600 is a 600. So our final answer will be the sum of all these numbers. Now that adds up easily to 1771. Let's check another case, and this time we'll skip a step. 7100 minus 292. Start from 292. First jump is 8 steps to 300. Then 700 steps to 1000, followed by 6100 steps to 7100. Now all that adds up to give 6808, our answer. Now we'll use a mix of these two strategies to solve any difficult subtraction. 274 minus 128. Instead of subtracting 128, we subtract 100 first, followed by 20, and then we subtract 8. So, 274 minus 100 is 174. Minus 20 gives 154. Now, instead of doing 154 minus 8, let us convert 8 to 10. Now remember our first strategy. So we add 2 to both the minuend and the subtrahend. That becomes 156 minus 10, which is 146. Now that's how we do it. Let's get to our final example. This time a bigger number. 7853 minus 4689. First subtract the thousands. 7000 minus 4000 becomes 3000. So next we'll compute 853 minus 689. That sounds difficult? No, it isn't. Just add 11 to both the numbers. 864 minus 700. 164. Now add this to the 3000 to make it 3164, which is the final answer, and we get it in a jiffy. Now keep practicing these techniques regularly along with your traditional subtraction methods, and be assured that you could save a lot of time in your competitive exams. If you found this video useful, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that you do not miss out on my new videos. Also share it with your friends and help them learn maths the amazing way. Thanks for watching.